off, but you never had an off switch. Yeah, trying to make you stop, girl, I wish you would've told me.
Hey friends, welcome back to Just a Little Kick. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 2 air fryer recipes. One for coconut shrimp with a super easy, delicious dipping sauce. And the second one is a copycat version of Cheesecake Factory's avocado egg rolls with a different kind of dipping sauce. So, this is going to be really good. Let's get started. Okay, first things first, we're going to set up our little dredging station here. Dredging station here. We have the shrimp, and I've seasoned it with these 2 seasonings here, the tropical sazon seasoning and then this honey chipotle. You'll season it all up, and then you'll get a couple eggs here. I think I might have used 3. Whisk them up, and then in the second situation here, we've got some all-purpose flour and some sweetened coconut flakes. I will say, before this, I had not made this recipe in quite some time, and so I had forgot that I usually do add a couple tablespoons of white sugar to season up, to sweeten up the recipe a little bit more. So I would definitely do that. All right, and then you're going to put your air fryer on 400 degrees and make sure you spray the tops of your shrimp with a non-stick cooking spray. It just kind of makes it a little bit more golden brown. I use butter spray. You can use whatever you have on hand. And then you're going to cook it for 7 minutes on the first side, flip them over, and cook it for another 4 minutes or so. Up next, we've got our Copycat Cheesecake Factory avocado egg rolls. So first things first, we need to go ahead and dice up these avocados, about 3 of them. And then we're going to use, I believe, about half of this red onion, sun-dried tomato, salt and pepper. The shrimp is done and looks amazing. And for the dipping sauce, I just mixed apricot jam with sweet chili sauce. Feel free to use whatever kind of dipping sauce is your favorite. Now it's time to dice up these sun-dried tomatoes to be added to our filling. And then to the filling bowl, we'll add the diced red onions and the cilantro, along with a pinch of white sugar, and then some salt and pepper. And you're going to mix all that together. And then we're going to get our wonton wrappers out to start filling them. All right, then you're going to get your wonton wrappers out. Dip your finger in some water and run your finger along every edge, and then you'll go ahead and put the filling in the middle, and then you'll just kind of roll them up like this. You want to make sure there's enough filling in there and that you roll it tight enough, but also, as you can tell, a couple of these I did kind of break the wrapper a little bit. It didn't really make a problem. It didn't cause a problem, I should say, in the air fryer, but I can imagine it would be an issue if you were trying to deep fry them. So just be careful with that. So again, we're going to go ahead and place them in the air fryer basket, spray the top with a nonstick cooking spray. You're going to cook these on 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes, and then make sure you flip them halfway through. And all of the ingredients and measurements will be down into the description box, so make sure you check that out. so you can get all the, you know, actual measurements for the recipes, including this amazing dipping sauce. You basically just add everything to the blender, including like the cashews and all of that. This dipping sauce was bomb, like top notch. I might even say, I mean, it's so close to Cheesecake Factory. It's hard to even really compare them to see which one is better, because I'm telling you, this one is on point. Now for the best part, I want you to really be able to see those avocados and the rest of the filling in there. Let's dip it. Let me tell you, that cilantro, oof, that sweet cilantro dipping sauce, to die for, and very close to the original. But let's have a taste. I want you to hear the crunch too. Let me see. It's so good. I love that you can make these recipes at home, not have to spend so much money going, you know, to Cheesecake Factory. I love Cheesecake Factory. If people who know me in real life know that Cheesecake Factory is one of my favorite restaurants, and my husband and I go there for almost every like special occasion, anniversaries, birthdays, we always choose there. So these to die for, on point. I've had these so many times, so I can guarantee you. Now let's get into the shrimp with a little bit of that dipping sauce on there. Excellent. Perfect. Definitely make these. I think these would be really good appetizers for any kind of little party where you want like some finger foods. Your guests will definitely love these. All right, so that is all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys make these recipes. Tag me over on Instagram, and I'll see you guys back here soon for more food. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.